Yoga is very effective in preventing and curing diseases as proven by many researches. But one must consult doctor before practicing yoga and practice under supervision of a yoga teacher. Along with yoga, healthy eating habits and certain food items also help in preventing and curing diseases.
Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a set of 12 asanas ideally performed at sunrise as worship to Sun God. For each of the 12 asanas, there is a breathing pattern which has to be followed. Pranayama. Stand erect with your feet together and hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointing upwards in front of the chest. Breathing pattern, exhale. Hastottanasana. Stand erect with your feet together and stretch both arms above head and arc your body backwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Padhastasana. Stand erect with your feet together and bend down in front without bending your knees. Place your hands on either side of your feet, aligning it with legs. Touch your palms on ground and head on legs. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring right leg backwards and touch the right knee on the floor. Place the left foot between the palms and lift your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Parvatasana. Bring the right leg next to left and place hands shoulder width apart on ground. Raise hips and move head between arms so that body is in a triangle shape. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashtanga Namaskar. Slide the body down, keeping the hips in a way that all 8 limbs are touching the floor. 8 limbs are toes, knees, hands, chest and chin. Breathing pattern, maintain a state after exhale. Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keeping the legs and feet together. Place both the hands shoulder width apart in front of your chest. Lift your body above navel, balancing it on hands, and turn your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Parvatasana. Raise hips and move head between arms so that body is in a triangle shape. Breathing pattern, exhale. Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring left leg backwards and touch the left knee on floor. Place the right foot between the palms with right knee touching the chest and lift your head upwards. Breathing pattern, inhale. Padhastasana. Stand erect with your feet together, bend down in front without bending your knees. Place your hands on either side of your feet, aligning it with legs, with palms touching the ground and head touching the legs. Breathing pattern, exhale. Hastottanasana. Stand erect with your feet together and stretch both arms above head, arcing your body. Breathing pattern, inhale. Pranayama. Stand erect with your feet together and hands pressed together, palms touching and fingers pointing upwards in front of the chest. Breathing pattern, exhale. Surya Namaskar is amazing exercise which cures lot of diseases like asthma, backache, bronchitis, constipation, diabetes, low blood pressure, obesity, skin diseases and tonsillitis. As a precaution, people suffering from sciatica pain, hernia and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice Surya Namaskar. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication or through practice of other asanas.
Bhujangasana. Lie down on your stomach, keeping the legs and feet together. Place both the hands shoulder width apart on either side of your chest. Lift portion of body above navel, balancing it on hands, and turn your head upwards. Bhujangasana reduces fat and trims waist, strengthens abdomen muscles and improves digestive system. Cures arthritis, backache, bronchitis, constipation, diabetes, insomnia and menstrual disorder. Imparts beauty to face.
Urdhva Dhanurasana. Lie down on the back, keeping the body straight and feet together. Lift your legs, hips and trunk vertically upwards, keeping the hands under the waist. Maintain this posture for a comfortable duration without any body movement. Urdhva Dhanurasana removes body or sweat odor, improves digestive system, improves functioning of head area, eyes, ear, nose and mouth, prevents hair loss, cures asthma and bronchitis. People suffering from high blood pressure and heart diseases should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas. Simhasana. Keeping the toes together and heels raised, sit on your heels with knees wide apart and entire body balanced on your heels. Placing both the hands on the knees, press chin against the chest, setting your gaze at the spot between eyebrows. Open your mouth wide and extend the tongue out. Sitting in this posture, roar loudly a couple of times. Simhasana cures diseases of mouth, teeth, tongue, jaws and throat. It makes one fearless like a lion. It's useful for people with bad breath. It is also one of the anti-aging asanas which reduces wrinkles on face and restores facial muscles and tissues. It cures bronchitis, constipation, digestive problems, depression, pyorrhea, skin diseases and tonsillitis. Matsyasana. Assuming Padmasana, slowly move your trunk backwards until the head rests on the ground, keeping the hands on either side of your body. Lift your trunk, arcing the spine so that entire body is balanced on head and hips. Hold your right toe with left hand and left toe with right hand. Stay in this position for a comfortable duration. Matsyasana nourishes eyes, reduces eye strain and improves vision. Spinal cord becomes flexible and helps in reducing back pains. When tired after swimming for some time, one can easily rest and float on water in this position. Expands chest and lungs, which helps in curing respiratory problems. It improves the skin glow and enhances beauty. Cures asthma, bronchitis, digestive problems, depression, diabetes, skin diseases and tonsillitis. People suffering from sciatica pain and pain around lower part of spinal column should not practice. They can practice after these diseases are cured through medication and practice of other yoga asanas.